Well, in today's video, we are discussing how to make $69 per hour as a Lyft driver. Yes, this is not clickbait. This is real news, real tips and tricks and strategies, and also screenshots. I come prepared. Before I get started, I want to thank our sponsor, Solo. Solo is an incredible app that helps you seamlessly manage your gig business, guarantee your pay, and also right now, for a limited time, we have a partnership with them. When you sign up with our link, they're gonna give every single one of you guys watching this 10 bucks. Totally for free. Sign up anywhere in the country, and you gotta show proof that you're a driver by linking your gig account. And again, that is free. They're on the App Store, Google Play Store. They're a really cool app. Sign up with our link below, and let's get started. So, Will Connor posted this in our group. He said, so thankful I'm able to do Lux. And he said he went out and made 145 bucks in a little under 3 hours. And, you know, after a little bit of further investigation, he drives in Boston. But not only this, my friends, this guy, he went out and drove for 2 hours and 3 minutes and made $138.96 as an Uber X driver. Absolutely crazy. So just wanted to make this quick vid and show you guys that it is possible to do that. You just got to go out and drive smart. All right, so thanks for watching, guys. Let me know how much you're making per hour with Uber, and sign up for Solo, link below. I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.